In primetime news this evening, repatriation jitters, ship workers coming home, but is the process ready for the numbers? Back to work, cops prepare for increased traffic when work from home order expires. And frustrated teachers, scores of Clarendon educators inconvenienced by mismanaged work from home protocol. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business news, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening. Do you have any concerns about returning to work on June 1?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.